before we proceed with the video, have you participated in my giveaway yet? If not, I'm going to link it down below and somewhere on here as well. Do check it out. There are two giveaways going on my channel right now. One is with the lipsticks and one is with the concealer. I hope you do participate. And also I wanted to thank all the people who are supporting my channel and on Instagram. I see so much love, so much support coming from you guys. I love reading your comments. There is so much love that, oh my god, I'm speechless, and I'm really thankful, really thankful. I never imagined this kind of a love coming my way. And I also wanted to share before I get into the video is that people were quite surprised to see the second giveaway on my channel. I'm going to try out new makeup that's going to come my way, which has till now included only lipsticks and concealer, and obviously I'm planning on trying out new mascaras, new palettes, new bronzers and whatnot. There's so much to makeup. I mean, it's so difficult to decide, and obviously all of these are also going to be available for a giveaway. Just to spice things up, I am going to mix these videos. Like this time I'm doing a haul, and if you girls would like some clothing giveaway, so do let me know, because I love clothes and I'm sure you girls love that too. So if you're interested in this kind of a giveaway, do let me know in the comments down below, because next time if I'm doing a clothing haul, there could be a giveaway for you guys as well. So enough of rambling from my end, and now let's get on with the Zara haul. Yay! And as you girls could see that there is in one bag, even though I went into Zara to buy just one thing, but you leave it to me and I always come back with more bags. So now enough of rambling and let's carry on with the video. The first thing on the Zara haul is the top that I'm wearing. I couldn't resist wearing it. I just love it. I love it how springy it is. It has a little bit of flowery print on it with a cold shoulder detail. It also has this little knot detail in the front that adds a lot of edge to it. And I don't know if you girls prefer it this way, but whenever I'm wearing a cold shoulder, I prefer my sleeves to be longer so that the only enhanced area is my shoulders rather than my arms as well. I think it just takes away from the outfit. It was priced at rupees 18.90. Well, as you girls know, I went into Zara to buy just one stuff and I ended up with so many. So one thing that I had my eye on it was this next dress, and this is this blue dress from Zara, and it is one of their collection in the poplin version, and I just absolutely love it, especially with this belt detail which is cinched at the waist, and you can just tie it around and it just adds up to it. And I also love the sleeves detail, which is a flute sleeve detail, which you can leave it just like that how it is here, or otherwise you can also choose to tie it up just like here. It's up to you, and I absolutely love this dress. This was priced at rupees 24.90. So now moving on, in continuation with my love affair with this poplin collection, here comes another top, and that's in a blush pink color, and you girls know how much I love my blush pinks pastel colors. And this is the top which has the exaggerated flute and a ruffled sleeve detail. I just love how it is. It just ends just before my elbows, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this crepe detail fabric. It just looks gorgeous. This makes your outfit look put together. So the quality of the product and the fabric of the product is very important when it comes to clothes for me. And this is priced at 27.90. And the next thing is this grey light jumper with this frilled ruffle detail on the sleeves, and I absolutely love it. It is so soft, it is so cuddly, and it is, I know it's a bit more warmer right now for it, but in the evenings I do feel a bit of the chill, and I love when my jumpers are soft to cuddle, and this is also one of it. It is too soft, and I don't have many jumpers that are too soft in nature and warm at the same time. And also I love the color. This is priced at rupees 1490. Next we have another grey jumper. I'll just explain it to you why I have another grey jumper. I know it's a very similar to the previous one, but it has like a black specks of detail on it, but the reason why I bought it was only because of the flute sleeve detail. I just absolutely love how it looked. I mean, I knew that I was buying two similar things, but I couldn't decide at that moment that which one I should go for, and this flute sleeve detail just made me go for it. It is again the lighter version of the jumpers, and it's light and cozy, and I really like how comfortable it is, but still looks more elegant when you put together even with some leggings or jeggings. This was priced at rupees 1790. The next one in line was actually one of the other pieces that I had my eyes on it, and I saw it on the website, and I went twice in Zara just to see if it is available or not, and the second time I got lucky and it was available, and that is this black bodysuit. It has a net detail for the sleeves, and I love the puffy shoulder detail because I think it adds an edge to it. This combination of the net and the fabric, it just looks good. Also makes your dress look more dressy. I just loved how it was. I mean, the net is so soft, priced at rupees only 14.90. Even though I generally generally wear a size small or an extra small depending upon the outfit, but in the bodysuits I go for a size bigger. That is my height, because I'm too tall for the bodysuit. So even though I can fit into it, I can get into it, but I can't tie them at the end. But they generally don't, how should I put it, fulfill the length details that I require because of the height. And continuing my love for the cold shoulder, here's another top in the shade white, and I love the detail. I know it's quite similar to what I'm wearing right now, which has a tie detail on the top, and I love this delicate net detail, with a little bit of sheerness just on the top shoulder area and nothing beyond that, because I wanted my clothes to be comfortable. So I don't like a lot of sheer detail, but obviously I love the sheer detail when it's only associated with my shoulder or my neck. It looks very delicate and put together. So this is also for 1890. And the next thing, the moment I saw it in Zara, I was like, it was love at first sight. I just couldn't say no. I just couldn't move away from it. And this is the reason this was like love at first sight. It is actually me in a bag with the scarf detail on top and this loopy detail and this golden, so simple yet so elegant, and it is so ready for the spring season and the summer. And I love the vibrant color. And you open it and it has the sling detail as well to it. This was priced at ₹2290. And the next purchase was an impromptu purchase, and this is this white crop top, and this is a bird print white crop top, even though I have a lot of whites in my wardrobe, but I just couldn't leave it because of this exaggerated puffy shoulder sleeve detail. I mean, the moment it just sit on you, it just looks perfect, and the print, even though it has birds on it, it looks quite quirky but still very less quirky, just to match my taste. And it also has a tie detail on the side, so you can just tie it up, and it is not very short for a crop top, because I don't like very short crop tops. I could have gone for an extra small, but I thought of sticking to small this time, because I like how the clothes are baggy on me. I like them to be comfortable and not very fitted, unless and otherwise I'm aiming for a band-aid dress kind of a look, which I am never aiming for. And this gorgeous piece is priced at ₹2290. Well, the next purchase, I'm not very proud of it, but the moment I saw it, I just decided that it screams spring to me. I bought it only for the reason because I fell in love with the fabric, and also with this sleeve detail, which has a squinchy kind of a detail on the sleeves, with some pleats over it, and I just loved how it sat on me. This beautiful piece was priced at ₹2490. So that was all of my Zara haul. I'm hoping that you liked this video, and do let me know if you want to have this kind of a clothing bag kind of a giveaway from me as well, since my first love has always been clothes. I'll be very excited if you are keen on that as well. And before we sign out, have you checked out my 2 giveaways yet? If not, I'm going to try and link it here and down below in the description box as well. Do check them out. There are 2 giveaways going on my channel, one with 4 lipsticks and one with 1 concealer, so do check them out. And I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.